Hi everyone, it's Kim and I'm back with entry number 5, and this is from the lovely Lequetta Johnson, who you know as Pampered Petals on YouTube, and I'm going to have the link to her channel down below. Please go over and sub to this lady. She is so incredibly talented. She makes the most beautiful fabric books, and she does incredible beadwork. Like, I'm just in awe of her beading. So please go over and check it out. So thank you, Lequetta, for this package, and let's open it up. I'm so excited that you answered. Oh, I love the Paris bag already. I love it, I love it, I love it. Beautiful bag. And that can be used in one of my journals as well, so I will definitely be recycling that in a journal. Oh, and she's got some really, oh, it's tissue paper, not a bag. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. And I love the washi tape. I don't have hardly any washi tape. I have like a small roll of Tim Holtz, and I think that's it. So I'm very appreciative of washi tape, so thank you for that. And they are all little stamps. How cool. I love it. So let me get this open here. I'll just pull that off there. Put that down there. I love this tissue paper. It's gorgeous. Oh, wow. And can I just say, everything smells amazing. It's like roses. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. It says lift to open, closes with a magnet. Oh, cool. I did see that on her her video. That's a cool idea. Hi Kim, what a fun challenge. I hope you like the pockets that I made. Hope all is well and happy crafting. Hugs, Lequetta. Oh, this is beautiful. What a great idea to put a magnet in there. Oh, and look at this tag. Look at these velvet flowers. I need to get some velvet in this green color. I love this mossy green color. And Paris, and look at these beautiful pink velvet flowers up here. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh wow, that's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I think that'll go in one of my journals as well. It's so pretty. I love these colors together, pink and green. And look at this beautiful trim down here at the bottom. It's so gorgeous. Thank you so much for that, Lequetta. I hope I'm saying your name right. Oh, wow. Okay, so she's done 2 fabric pockets, and I did see her VR, and I was like, wow, girl, amazing. So this one, oh, this is paper. Okay, that's right. I love it. Okay, so she's got some beautiful flowers here and in a Paris theme, and a beautiful fabric butterfly here, some nice lavender rolled roses with a little bit of tulle peeking out and a little bit of embroidered trim here. And then she's got this gorgeous crochet trim at the top and the bottom, and she's Mod Podged this on. I believe it's a napkin, and then she's sewn all the way around it. So it's just beautiful. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And then you open it up, and there's this beautiful French paper on the inside. And it's a nice deep pocket, so thank you for that. You can definitely put some goodies in there. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. I love that you Mod Podged on that. That's very cool. These are great. I love these. You guys are amazing. All these different ideas. They're just incredible. And this one is, of course, very shabby and vintage. And it's on muslin. And again, she has sewn her pocket. And she's added this beautiful little shabby flower here with a pearl and some beading, which I'm betting she hand beaded that flower center. And then she's got this gorgeous, gorgeous trim here, crocheted trim. And then when you open it up, there's more of that beautiful trim there, and a lovely vintage doily there, and a lovely deep pocket. Now this is different colored muslin than I get. I'm not sure if she may have avocado dyed that or something, or tea dyed it maybe. It's a lovely, lovely color. It has a slight pink hue to it, but that could be my old eyes and the light. But it's beautiful. I love it. Oh, Lequetta, these are beautiful. Thank you so much. Please go over and sub to this extremely talented lady. I am such a huge fan of hers. Her work, as you can see, is just absolutely amazing. And I love everything that you have sent here. It's just gorgeous. Thank you so much for entering. I really appreciate it. And I will be back with another video soon, guys. So thank you, Lequetta. And go and sub to her, guys. Take care. Bye for now.